Hello everyone, this is Ryan here. It's March 5th, 2025, and welcome back to the channel. So this is what I did. I pulled some more dead stuff in my yard here. I got the green bin pretty much full now. I think I'm just going to leave it because I don't want to overfill it and the lid's open all the way. So I can show you what I did in my garden. Alright, so... Oh yeah, look at that, the cherry blossom. Look at that cherry blossoms, they're starting to come. Really, really awesome. Just noticed that. Yeah, so all the buds are good. There's on the news too that all the buds around the valley, like all the fruit trees and that, they're all fine. So that's good. The frost didn't kill them, so that's good. Yeah, so I cleaned this up here. I cleaned this all up. You can see I did some work around here today. Just kind of relaxing. And yeah, I did pretty much this whole area here. I pulled all the dead stuff out. And then I put it onto this compost bin here for now until the green bin is collected. All the stuff in the green bin is collected. Yeah, still need to clean this door area, but you know I am working slowly, getting the garden all ready for garden season, and I still need to pull these out. These are I accidentally pulled one of those out. They're actually artichokes. Sun artichoke, I believe. Ah, there we go. There we go. In there, so you can see inside there is one of those artichokes, those purple. Again, the sun. Oh, there we go. See that guy right there? See right there? So those are artichokes. There's a Jerusalem artichokes. I accidentally pulled one out. Now I'll have to harvest that. Yeah, so those are good. Jerusalem artichokes. That's what grows underneath the ground here. And so yeah, so these guys, they're Jerusalem artichokes, and I think they're really good. You can cut them up and use them like salads, cooking, all that. They were really good for you. Yeah, so that little bit of yard work it did. I feel a little better after I did that yard work just to clean this up. And yeah, just kind of relaxing today. I had a rough day yesterday, just got harassed. But you know what? It is what it is. If I do see that guy again, I will just try to ignore him, put my headphones on. That's what I did when I was on the bus there, try to ignore him. And that's what I did yesterday, try to ignore him and whatever, I'm going to put my headphones on and just listen to my music. And then he kept bothering me again, and I had to just take my headphones off and ask him, what do you just leave me alone. I'm just, anyway. Yeah, there's a lot of crazy people out there. You just gotta understand, you just take it easy, take the risk, and it's life. Life is, life does that, it throws you up and down. But yeah, just take it with a grain of salt. I remember my grandma saying, just take it with a grain of salt. That's what I did. I just took it with a grain of salt. Just let them bother me, and went down to Queensway, put my headphones back on, put some music on, just didn't let it bother me, and then went down to Queensway. I had a chat with the security guards about him, and everything went smoothly. So I want to say to City of Kelowna, I appreciate those security guards down there. I really do appreciate those guys. Going around Queensway, making sure these, everything's good down there, and yeah, everything's not crazy. I'm glad for these security guards. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna show you here. I stepped in that yucky pumpkin. I'll show you here. So I got my apple tree. My apple tree here is growing, and you can see it's starting to branch out here. You see it's starting to branch out, and just trying to take some of the dead leaves off. I'm not trying to hurt the plant here, but there we go. Tried my best here, but yeah. So this is a really cool apple tree, and yeah. So how did I? So I planted this myself. So I actually planted from a seed. So I had an apple seed, and then what I did, I planted in a pot, and then I watched this thing grow. I'm like, oh my god, I'm growing an apple tree. And then it got too big for the pot, and that's like, I'm gonna put it in the ground here. So I put this in the ground. And you can see it's doing pretty good. I did take off the dead leaves there. But yeah, you can see it's starting to branch. So you can see it's got the new branches here, another branch here, another little branch right there. Just coming out, and you can see the little tiny buds right there. You can see little buds right there. So yeah, it's doing pretty good. Yeah, it's looking pretty healthy. I'll once the weather gets a little bit more warmer, once I'm out here in gardens, I'll be in the garden more after I finish cleaning this all up. But I thought I'd show you guys what I did. It's time to get the yard waste bins out and ready to get collected. Yeah, make sure you wash them out and stuff. Make sure you wash them out because they can smell. I've noticed that before. I walk past some people's green bins and oh man, they smell awful because what's happening? All grass and it's like decomposing in the bins and it smells awful. Yeah, almost it smells like I'm at a farm. But yeah, it's the grass clippings you can put them in the compost bin too, but you can put them in the green bin too. I'm not. Well, look at this. This has got buds. This is a huckleberry thorn bush. This is where you can see the thorns on this bush here. And yeah, it's got buds on it right here. Oh, beautiful day. Look at this. Beautiful day for spending time in the garden here. It's amazing. Yeah, you can see why it's huckleberry thorn bush because it's got thorns. You can see the thorns here. So yeah, it does hurt. I mean, it does hurt. If I do touch those thorns, it does hurt. But it's defending itself, I guess. Yeah, it almost looks like almost looks like one of those cactus trees, almost. But it does grow well in Okanagan. You can see how tall is this? How tall is this? This thing's like pretty much a tree now. When I planted it, it was only like about this tall. Now it's like up to here. So I cannot believe it's. So the little cherry bushes right here, and it's got buds too. Yeah, the buds are all on the tree, so that's good. The buds didn't fall off, so it's good. They didn't get damaged through that cold snap. I'm glad about that. I've been checking out all that through the valley. I'm like, oh my god, the buds are all on the trees still. I'm like, that's good. That's a good sign. So yeah, these buds are on the tree. It's a cherry bush, and they'll be coming soon to be blossoms. And all it means, all the bees will be out, so that'll be good. Yeah, fig tree. So that's oh, look at that! Look at that bud. Yeah, a little bud there. So that's good. All the buds there. Yeah, I'll have to come out here do some pruning too. The Painter's Market is doing that too. They're doing some pruning at their farm there. So this is like I gotta come out here do my. Yeah, the buds are coming right there. These are Hoscot berries, and look at that. This one is opening up. This one, there's a flower right there, and all the bees will come and pollinate this like crazy. And I'm really excited to see the bees. I'll show you the bees when they do come out. They look cute little fuzzy bumblebees. I love insects. I mean, people don't like insects, but I love nature. I love bugs. And when I was a kid, I love bugs and still do. Blackberry bushes, yeah, hope they come back though. It wasn't that cold this year. Oh, nice. No, I thought it's. Oh, whoops. Sorry about that. I dropped my phone there. All right. So yeah, so the buds are coming on this blackberry bush. Looks like they are. Yeah, sorry about that. I didn't mean to drop my phone. It was a little mistake there. Yeah, the grapes are coming too. I think they should be. Yeah, I can see the little buds right there. So yeah, I mean it's just early right now. It's only early March, but yeah, looks like my garden looks like everything's coming. Yeah, the buds are on. Oh, look at that. Yeah, another one opening up there. Well, I can't wait for the bees to start coming and pollinating this Hoscot berry bush. This is a Hoscot berries on this Hoscot berry bush, and it grows lovely Hoscot berries, and they're like a sour blueberry, really, really good. Yeah, really cool. Yeah, I can see the cluster of cherries here, and look at how many cherries I'm gonna have this year. Look at that. On this part here, look at this. Lots of cluster cherry blossoms. Amazing. There too. All right here, more cherries, more cherries, more cherries, more cherries right there. Some more right there. More cherries right there. So yeah, so I mean, you know, the fruit in Okanagan this year should be pretty good. I mean, the buds are all good this year. Yeah, the buds on this tree. Yeah, so it looks like everything survived this winter. I'm really shocked. I mean, really happy too that it wasn't a hard cold snap. It didn't last very long. It lasted for like a week or two, and then we went out of it. Plus, it was mostly a mild winter. It wasn't very cold winter. So we'll see what kind of summer we get. But I did see the water bombers flying around this morning, so I don't know. Hopefully there's nothing issues with that. Anyway, guys, take care, everything watching, like and subscribe. And you guys take care, and I'll see you guys next time. And yeah, it is springtime. Sorry about my phone there. I dropped my phone by mistake. But yeah, apologize on that little few seconds in that video. But I'm all right. It's just yeah, I'm excited for spring. That's love spring. All right, guys, take care.